Hey guys, Captain Paul. So excited to have you guys with us today as we take this 49-foot marine trader with a veteran from Tampa Bay, and the end is Marathon, Florida. Anyway, thank you for joining us. Hope you guys get something out of the video. If you do, make sure you hit that like, make sure you hit that subscribe, and why don't you go ahead and give that video a thumbs up right now. Anyway, enjoyed today's video. Thanks so much. And today we make it from Tampa Bay over to Sarasota Bay. All right, guys, day one of this voyage aboard this beautiful, it's actually, I love the layout of this thing. It's a 49-foot marine trader, and I'm gonna go down and do an engine room check. Just went over a bunch of systems with the owner. We're gonna run over to the fuel dock, throw some fuel in it, and then we're heading to Marathon, Florida. Woo! Get you some of that. So we had to make a repair already. We're getting fuel. I think I'm going to take about 50 gallons for each tank.
We'll come out back here. Right. Yeah.
Where am I at?
You're at
44.
Bill, the last fuel bill I had was $6,200. So we'll see what this one is. But I think it's going to be a little bit less. And we could do an entire bottom job on this boat for what the fuel bill was on that last boat.
It does look pretty good.
Man, there's a lot of traffic in here. But we're on our own.
Sorry, I didn't read that. Come back over.
Isn't it nice?
Yeah.
King size version of this, right?
Yes. Did you find some, do we got glass cleaner on this boat?
Glass cleaner?
Glass cleaner.
Yeah, like windows.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's some windows.
Yeah, I want to wash these windows. If you want to get it for me and some paper towels, I'll wash the windows after we get out of here. Guys, I'm with Bill today. Bill, introduce yourself. How long have we known each other?
About a minute and a half.
Probably 4 years.
About 4 years. Oh, yeah.
Maybe 5. Because how long have I been gone from the Keys? I've been gone over a year from the Keys.
So, it's the Keys lost.
The Keys lost. I like that. Lost in the Keys. And Bill was living in Fort Myers. Now he's going to go live the dream down in the Keys.
Yes.
On this 50-foot marine trader. God, I love the layout of this boat, man. You found an unbelievable boat, and I think you got a good deal on it. We'll see. We've already had a little engine leak. You can saw that a few minutes ago. That's really not that big of a deal for a Lehman, though. And we'll just keep an eye on it, manage it, and when we get there, you'll have to put a new one of those coolers on there, but it's really not that expensive, big guy.
Hey, I'm just so happy. Wonderful boat. It's exactly what I wanted.
You had brand new fuel tanks. That is so amazing to get a big boat like this with new fuel tanks, new generator, a newish generator. It's not the original generator, and then Ford Lehman's. I think it's a really, really nice boat.
Yes.
Can't wait to take you guys and show you guys around. Me and Bill have to clean up a little, and then I'll show you around a little bit. We're coming out into Tampa Bay. That's the Tampa Bay Bridge. What kind of boat it is, but I like it a lot. So we're coming over here. It looks like a fishing vessel or a tender vessel. Somebody in the comments help me out. What is it? So tonight we won't make it that far because it got too late on us, but that's Marina Jacks. We'll probably stop somewhere in here. We'll get through all of this mess right here and then stop right in here somewhere. Realize how far back in here we were. But that's the Tampa Bay Bridge right there.
Uh-huh.
Nice out here today. This breeze helps because it keeps the boat cool. The busy bay. Sailboat he's trolling. Well, we made it across Tampa Bay. Woo! Let's see where we're at here on the map. Gotta call that bridge here in a minute and tell them we're coming in hot. I think that's a time bridge. They're only open a certain amount of time on certain hours. So this is the Anna Marie Bridge. We're gonna get through this tonight, and then there's one more bridge down there. We'll get through that tonight, and then we're gonna throw the anchor out and see if we can get some sleep. It's been a long day, huh, Bill?
Yes, sir.
When did you close on it? You closed on it yesterday?
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
This opening, only the incoming van will arrive. Standing by on 9. Over.
So he's only gonna open one side, half of it. What was that?
Anchor out for the night.
Sarasota, right outside of Sarasota.
Yes. Yeah. Can take about 3 days. I'll send you another picture. We had to wait a half hour for it. Yep. Yeah, this thing's 49 foot long. Yeah, it's too big and too bad.
Going through here, like this is Sarasota, you see that in the background. It's a very technical part. Very shallow waters all through here. very, very technical. Just about through it. Right up there, Sarasota Bay, brother. I haven't been back to Marathon, and I don't even... it's been a year. Not quite a year. Oh yeah, right out of here. So we made it over here to Sarasota Bay. Look at that sunset. Woo! Isn't that beautiful? It's really shallow, really technical from there, from when you're coming out of Tampa Bay all the way to right here. Just a really technical run. And this is called Sarasota Bay right here, and that's the town. If we went, I had it set for us to go over to that underneath the bridge over there, that bridge, and stay the night over there at Marina Jacks, but we're not going to make it. We're just gonna go out here past this these couple markers right here, throw the anchor out, and call it a night. Woo! This deck is huge.
I was just thinking the same thing. I said, man, I didn't realize how much room there was up here.
These are our anchors. We're just right here. It's in Sarasota Bay, like I said. Sarasota is right there. We just put the anchor out. Looks like it's stuck good. Tomorrow I'll clean up these lines. And then there's our spring line for the anchor. We got our lights on, so we should be good. I personally, I don't know what's going to happen. Let the owner know. These decks feel solid. Bill, no, and Bill's a veteran buddy of mine, so this is kind of my veteran charity work for the year. And I love the veterans, and it's awesome being out here. And then he took delivery of this. It's just a dream of his. He's had it for about 4 years. He's got a buddy that has a house down here that's gonna let him live over there reasonably. You know, I think his slip rent will be under $1,000 a month, somewhere like $500 a month, and which is really cheap for the Florida Keys down there in Marathon. But all these Air Force guys, they're buddies, and so they concocted this dream about 4 years ago, and here we are out here doing it. And I'm glad that I'm here to be able to help and deliver the yacht for him and get it over there safely to Marathon. So anyway, end of day one. Short little video here today. Tomorrow will be a longer video. Today was the first time he's been on the yacht since he's purchased it, and then so tomorrow will be a full day out there. We'll make it over to Fort Myers is my goal tomorrow, and maybe just a little bit further. We will see. Anyway, peace out. Remember, live life with no regret. I do. And tomorrow I'll sit down, we'll talk to Bill a little bit and get a little bit of his story so you guys can hear his story.